My name is Bob Devin Jones, and I'm the artistic and producing director of the studio at 620. The mission here at the studio at 620 is, and it is also our motto, the answer is always yes. We say yes to innovation, yes to emerging artists, yes to people who don't even know that they're an artist or creative. We have educational programs, we have lots of art exhibits, we do dance, we do theater, we do film, we do social discussions around any topic. We're a community space, a not-for-profit, that's been here 12 seasons. Among the many things that we do at the studio, we have for 8 seasons been doing a radio theater project. And the demonstration that we'll be doing for you is a little snippet of a play with Foley, which Foley is a fancy name for sound effects. Maybe there was a guy named Foley, it probably was. And so we have a Foley orchestra, if you will, another euphemism, and an orchestra master, which is Matt, and that's what you're going to see. And a little play that highlights the Foley, which is the sound effects, the walking, the falling, the glass tinkling, everything but the human voice.
My name is Matt Cowley, and I do the sound design and sound effects and Foley performance for the radio theater project here at the Studio 620. One of the great things about audio dramas and radio theater is that, just like a book, you build the world in your mind. Sometimes we clink glasses, obviously. Somebody gets slapped. If you're walking through grass, you walk through just some old 80s videotape. A broadcast engineer named Will Perkins built this for me. It's a wind machine. A door creaking, and somebody gave us this door, so if somebody comes into the door, creaky hinges, thunder in the background, that kind of stuff. This I got, I think also on eBay. It's just a little, so I've used that for bones creaking, or it's a combination lock, can be all kinds of things. We once did a sword fight scene, so spatulas are great for that. I don't remember what this is called, but I've used it for a spaceship arriving and things like that, a ray gun. So all of these kind of look a little hokey and retro and things like that, but taken with the plays we do and the great voice acting, they really kind of add a whole depth to the plays that wouldn't be there otherwise.
Come back with us now to the golden age of radio and into the theater of the mind as the studio at 620 presents Radio Theater Project Live. And now, the continuing adventures of cabaret detective Noelle Berlin in The Mystery of the Missing Misses.
The storm was on its way out over the Gulf. It was late, but I was on the case. The client was waiting. I walked through the grass and up the gravel path to a fading concrete block house, old Florida. It would have been beautiful if it were maybe a 3-story Tudor-style bungalow and green. I've always liked green.
Yes?
Mr. McArcher?
How did you find me?
Receptive, but cautious.
Please, come in.
There was a fire in the fireplace. That's rare in St. Pete, unless you're burning evidence.
How may I help you?
I'm a private eye. I'm looking into the disappearance of your wife, Sarah.
Oh, has she gone? All I can see is the green of your eyes.
Just for a moment, the bluebird of happiness floated around my dear stalker camp. And like that, he flew away.
My apologies. We've got birds in here. Shoo! Shoo!
Gesundheit. Look, you hired me to find her, remember?
Oh, yes. May I get you a drink? Whiskey, perhaps?
I'm on duty. Better make it a double. He poured me a tall one.
To your health. Now, please, I beg you, come away with me.
My reaction was swift and clear.
Ow! Let me finish. Come away with me to the backyard. It's the last place I saw her.
I heard thunder. Was it the storm or his lies?
Let me unlock the screen door.
Bob! There you are!
Oh, dear. I thought I'd lost you.
Who's this?
Private Eye, he hired me to find you.
No, you never were any good at hide and seek. It's your turn to hide.
Thanks for your time, Detective. Start counting and no peeking.
He vanished with my hopes for a big payout. Just another story of another lost soul in this Sunshine City.
Tune in again next time for more live radio theater presented by your friends at Studio 620.